Okay, so here we have a Suzuki RG Fun 125. Picked it up cheap. I've only just got round to sort of really do anything with it. Apparently someone took it apart in 2013 because it had low compression. So I guess we'll get to the engine at some point and we'll see what's what with that. I have noticed it has power valve blanks in there, so that might have something to do with those that poor compression. Yeah, let's give it a little wipe down and see how good it really is, because it's filthy. Okay, so we've given it a clean up and it's kind of all right. There's a bit of paint flake, but yeah, what I want to do now is work out if I do a restore or a track build. You guys let me know what you think in the comments.